the sound R is difficult even for Chinese people, and everybody in China will pronounce it differently. Different people have different habits, and basically, whatever way you say it is okay. The standard, or probably the easiest way for English speakers to say the letter R is like the French sound R, like in bonjour. So it's R. For example, a very common word in Chinese that means a man or a human being, ren, you can just say it like R, ren. In China, a lot of people, depending where they come from, like I said, they will have a different way of saying it. In the south, the sound R is very difficult for the people to say, actually impossible. So a lot of people tend to say yi, like yen. But a more standard pronunciation that a lot of people use for this sound will be something like run, run, r, run. But R is completely fine, so we can just stick to it and we can just say it, run.